little girl asked, Modi, where have you been? Modi says, I've been to London. What did you do there? To attend the Queen's funeral. Then the little girl says, why don't you come to attend my mother's funeral, who had been killed and raped in Manipur? The little boy asked, Modi, where have you been? Modi says, I've been to Los Angeles. What did you do there? To console the victims of wildfire. Then the little boy says, why don't you come when our villages were burned by the atom by Tengol in Manipur? Modi ahunge, pa Modi ahunge, ipi bahim podeo, kipanahidinam, kinep na bang hidinam.